Hello, everyone. I'm James. Welcome back to Easy English for You. Today, we will talk about dark psychology. Many people want to learn it. Few people understand its danger. So let me ask you something. Are your choices really your own?
You think you are free, but someone may be controlling you right now.
Wait, right now? That sounds scary.
It should. Most control does not look dangerous. Most control looks normal. That is why it works. People imagine control like a movie. They imagine villains and secrets. Real control is much quieter. It hides in daily life. It hides in words. It hides in emotions. It hides in fear.
So, what is dark psychology?
Dark psychology is using the mind of others. It is using emotions for control. It is not magic. It is not mind reading. It is understanding human weakness, then using it.
Can you give us an example?
Yes. Let us start with a simple one. Many people see this every day. A message appears on your screen. Only today. Last chance. Buy now. Only a few left.
I see those all the time.
Exactly. This is a control trick. It creates hurry. Hurry makes people think less. People who think less decide faster. Fast decisions help the seller.
So, the goal is not information.
Correct. The goal is pressure. Pressure changes behavior. This is the first lesson. Control loves hurry. Clear thinking needs time.
That's interesting. What is another control trick?
Guilt. Guilt is very powerful. Imagine a friend says this, "I did so much for you. Now you owe me. If you care about me, help me. If you say no, I will feel hurt."
That sounds familiar.
Many people hear this, sometimes from family, sometimes from friends, sometimes from partners. The goal is simple. Make you feel bad, then guide your choice. The choice feels free, but guilt pushed it.
So, control can look kind.
Very often. The most dangerous control is gentle.
Is there another control trick?
Yes. This one is very powerful. Many people never see it.
What is it?
Sometimes people call it mixed signals. One day, someone is very kind. The next day, they feel cold. One day, they give attention. The next day, they disappear. Then they return again.
That sounds confusing.
Exactly. The person becomes hard to forget. You think about them more. You wait for the next good moment. Soon they stay in your mind.
Why is that so powerful?
Think about checking your phone. Sometimes there is a message. Sometimes there is nothing because you never know. You check again and again and again.
Are people like that too?
Very often, a little attention feels valuable because it is not always there. Some people use this in relationships. Some people use this at work. Some parents use it at home. Love becomes a reward. Approval becomes a reward. Attention becomes a reward. Then people start chasing it.
That feels dangerous.
It is. Sometimes fear controls people. Sometimes hope controls people. Hope can be even stronger. Hope keeps people waiting. Hope keeps people chasing. Hope can become a cage. The most dangerous trap is not fear. It is waiting. Waiting for love. Waiting for approval. Waiting for attention. Some people spend years waiting. That waiting becomes a chain.
I never thought about it that way.
Most people do not. That's why it works. It doesn't shout. It whispers. It sounds caring. It sounds loving. That's why people miss it.
Is there a trick that destroys love?
Yes, it's the game of waiting. Let me show you. A man likes a woman. He watches videos online. One video gives advice. Do not reply quickly. Make her wait. Make her wonder. Then she will want you more.
Many people believe that.
Yes, the man follows the advice. He waits 8 hours. Then he sends one message. But there's a problem. The woman watched the same video. She also waits. She also plays the game. Nobody feels close. Nobody feels safe. Nobody feels understood. Both wanted love. Both found stress.
That's almost funny.
It is funny, but it's also sad. Many people lose real connection. They wanted to use a trick. They used uncertainty as a tool, but control destroyed the connection. They chose the game. They lost the person. Then they wonder why they feel lonely.
Wait, are you saying control creates loneliness?
Often, yes, because trust needs honesty. Control needs strategy. Trust and strategy rarely grow together.
What about gaslighting? People use that word a lot.
Good question. The word came from an old movie. It was called Gaslight. A husband wanted control, so he changed small things. Then he denied them. His wife noticed. He said she was wrong. She saw something strange. He said she imagined it. She remembered something. He said she forgot it. Again and again, day after day, the same message returned. You are wrong. You are confused. You cannot trust yourself. Slowly, she believed him. Slowly, she doubted herself.
That is terrifying.
Because it attacks reality. It attacks trust. Not trust in others. Trust in yourself. That is why gaslighting is dangerous. It makes you stop trusting yourself.
Can this happen at work?
Every day. Imagine this scene. Monday morning. You enter the office. Your boss calls you in. He says this: "Nobody else has this problem. Only you complain. You are too sensitive. You always misunderstand." At first, you disagree. Then you hear it again, and again, and again. One day, you ask yourself something. Maybe I am the problem. That moment is dangerous.
Why is that moment dangerous?
Because doubt opens a door. Control enters through that door. Most people fear strong enemies. They should fear confusion more. Confusion makes people easy to guide.
Then how do people protect themselves?
First, understand the game. Most traps become weaker when seen. Hidden traps are the dangerous ones.
Is there another hidden trap?
Yes, and this one is everywhere. Many people follow the crowd. Psychologists call this social proof.
What does that mean?
It means following the crowd. Imagine you visit a restaurant. One line is very long. Another line is empty. Most people choose the long line.
Even without knowing why?
Exactly. They think this: many people chose it, so it must be good. Sometimes that is true. Sometimes it is not. But the mind feels safer. The crowd becomes a shortcut.
So people borrow other people's thinking?
Sometimes they do, especially when they feel unsure. The less confidence we have, the more we copy others.
That sounds very human.
It is. And that brings us deeper. Most people ask this question: how do manipulators control others? I think there is a better question.
What is it?
Why do people get controlled?
That does sound more important.
It is the heart of everything. People do not get controlled because they are stupid. That is a common mistake. Many intelligent people get controlled. Many educated people get controlled. Many successful people get controlled.
Then what makes people easy to control?
Human needs. Deep human needs. The need for love. The need for acceptance. The need for belonging. The need for meaning.
Can those needs really be that powerful?
Let me tell you a story. This is a real story. A man named Jim Jones promised people a better life. He promised community. He promised family. He promised purpose. Many people followed him. They trusted him deeply. At first, everything felt hopeful. Then things slowly changed. More control appeared. More fear appeared. More pressure appeared. But many people stayed.
Why did they stay?
Most people ask the wrong question. They ask this: how could people believe him? I ask a different question. What were those people looking for?
And what were they looking for?
Connection, meaning, hope, a place to belong. The leader understood this. He understood their hunger. Then he used it.
So the real target was not their mind.
Correct. It was their heart. This is a very important lesson. Control rarely starts with logic. Control starts with emotion. It starts with a need. It starts with a wound.
That changes everything.
Yes. Most people think control is about tricks. Tricks matter, but they are not the foundation. Human weakness is the real root.
Then what is the biggest weakness?
Loneliness.
Really?
Yes. Loneliness changes behavior. Lonely people trust faster. Lonely people accept more. Lonely people ignore warning signs. Not because they are foolish, because they are hungry.
Hungry for connection.
Exactly. Think about a thirsty person. He does not study the water. He drinks it. A lonely person can act the same way. They want connection quickly, sometimes too quickly.
So the danger is not only outside us.
Very good. The greatest danger is often inside us. A manipulator cannot create your needs. Those needs already exist. A manipulator only finds them, then uses them.
That is a powerful idea.
It leads to another lesson. You cannot control every manipulator. You cannot control every liar. You cannot control every bad person. But you can understand yourself. And that changes everything.
How?
When you know your weakness, it becomes harder to use. When you know your fears, they lose some power. When you know your needs, you make better choices.
So self-knowledge protects us?
More than most people realize. There is an old teaching. A calm mind sees clearly. A hungry mind follows anyone. Those words still matter today. A calm person asks questions. A calm person waits. A calm person thinks. A desperate person rushes. A desperate person follows pressure. A desperate person ignores warning signs.
Then what should we do today?
Start small, very small. When someone pressures you, do not answer immediately. Wait 10 seconds. Take one breath. Ask one question. Why must this happen now? That question is powerful. Many control tricks hate that question.
Because it creates thinking time?
Exactly. Control loves hurry. Wisdom loves time. The best defense is knowing the game.
That is simple, but very strong.
Most traps stop working when you see them. Most lies lose power when you name them. Knowledge does not control people. Knowledge protects people. Learn the game, not to control others. Learn the game so others cannot control you.
The best defense is knowing the game. I will remember that. Now tell us in the comments, which control trick do you see most often? Is it guilt? Is it pressure? Is it gaslighting? Is it something else? Share your story below. Someone may learn from it. In our next video, we'll explore another question. Why do kind people attract difficult people? Please subscribe and like if this helped. Members can get today's lesson PDF. It includes the full script and notes.
Many viewers find it very useful. It helps them review and remember.
Thanks for watching, and as always, keep going and keep growing.